फर्स्ट Peter, second chapter, 1 to 5 सेंटेंस. पहला पीटर 2 అధ్యాయ 1 से 5 వచనం. మొదటి పేతురుకు రాసిన పత్రిక 2వ అధ్యాయము 1 నుంచి 5 వచనము. Wherefore laying aside all malice and all guile and hypocrisy and envies and all evil speaking, as newborn babes, desire the sin's milk of the word, that you may grow thereby. If so be you have tasted that the Lord is gracious, to whom coming as unto a living stone, dishallowed indeed of man, but chosen of God and precious. You also as lively stone are built up a spiritual house and holy priesthood, to offer up spiritual sacrifice acceptable to God by Jesus Christ.